What is sin? What is the new covenant? 1,000 Christian denominations will give 1,000 different answers because of one common error: torahlessness. Ellen Aguirre explains that the real problem is pride and the solution is submission to a higher authority.
People cite Romans as a anti-feast thing, an anti-Torah declaration, and in reality, it's literally the exact opposite.
You know, Paul's letters in general, and Romans, of course, no exception. We were talking about this before the cameras came on. I've always said, I think Paul, if he was around today,
oh my gosh,
and said, wait a minute, you're considering my letters to several cities around Asia Minor, or the area that's scripture? What?
Yeah.
My letters don't do that.
Yeah,
I'm sure he'd say something to that effect.
Right. I don't believe that these guys knew they were, quote, writing scripture when they were writing these letters, because as we know, they're actually expounding on the Tanakh, the Old Testament, right? And that these are, somebody commented once, well, why should I read his book? Why should I read your book? I have the Bible. I'm like, well, that's what the New Testament is. The New Testament is somebody writing about the Bible, the Old Testament. And so I don't think that's really, that's a little strange.
Well, and there's fights now online, which we've discussed as well. You and wife Christina's sitting behind the cameras here, and we had discussed about this, that she's still there. that you guys have encountered this fight for 15 years, and my wife is seeing stuff now online where there's two polar opposites. Number one, people are considering Paul's letters even above Yeshua's words in some cases, and other people are saying, toss Paul out of the Bible, he doesn't belong there, he's a heretic. Well, and it's like both are wrong.
Yeah, we've ran into a lot of anti-Paul people in the Torah community since the late 2000s.